Good morning everyone. My name is Ashmit Mishra. I am here to tell you what will I do if I become Prime Minister of India. Firstly, I think what can I do is first reallocate budget of India. Uh, Budget of India. I think our budget is going more in freebies than the development and all infrastructure programs. I will first change that. I will increase the budget of our R&D development, R&D programs, and you can take an example of ISRO. I will increase the budget of ISRO. That is what I'm saying, and I will reduce the amount which is gone into the freebies. And next, I'll do work on education. I will try to improve government schools and promote government schools rather than the private schools, because they have cheaper books, they have control over the prices of books, their tuition fees, their dress. But in private schools there are always problem of this. Every year the price rises of that. Next, I can do what I can do is, firstly I will try to find the corrupted members in my party. First I will first find them and punish them first, to set an example for others to that if they will do corruption, I will just punish them at its maximum. Whatever I can do, I will do that. To remove them, I will do that. But first I will set example from my own party rather than capturing other from other parties. I will do environment friendly programs also. I will increase the greenhouse building construction projects more. The current building programs which are going, I will restrict them by implementing some laws over them. That is, I think, how I can improve our system also. Do you have any question?
What kind of freeways you are talking about?
Free electricity, free water, free gas services, everything.
I don't think free gas is happening in India.
No, it is happening. It is not happening. It is subsidized, very much subsidized. But it is not also helping many. It is helping very poor peoples, but it is also helping those who are not into that. They just make fake documents and then they get benefits from there. I will stop that also.
But sir, fake document is not issue. Those who are issuing it is the issue. And if you are talking about
That
free
is why I
electricity,
said I will work on corruption also. I will first punish my own party members, then I will move on and I will set an example for others who are doing wrong. I will just
do you
punish
think,
them.
sir, ration card is also a freeways?
Ration card is not a freebie, it is necessity. If you are very poor,
Then sir, gas subsidy is also necessity
I am
for
saying
us.
that for poor people who just really need it. I just said reduce it, not completely end it.
Basically you are saying that ki, you reduce the budget of freebies.
Yes.
And what's your opinion about the political person who have already in the parties and get the more benefits other comparison than the freebies? So you can't
I don't
do
get
anything.
your question. What?
Say that ki you say that ki, you reduce the budget of freebies.
Yes.
Yes, and what are your opinion about the political person and political leader who get already more benefit than the freebies in currently political running parties?
Then I will.
As an example, I will say you hear Delhi जो मतलब सांसद में है parliament in the who get the iPhone
Yes,
on the public budget. So what's your opinion and
Yes.
what's anything? Because you say that only freebies, not this type of any policies. So
I said I will set example from my parties only, and once I set my example, I will also I will do a background check of all the political party members who are in the parliament itself, by raiding them, by giving income tax rate on them, by providing if they are found guilty or they are found wrong, they will be punished.
I'm not saying that you check the political background and anything background, what's his condition and what's his financial condition. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that if a parliament person get the iPhone, anything, and so it's not about the budget. I'm just saying that.
Sir, how is it about budget? If he is having a budget, it cannot be from his salary. I can say guarantee that from for
Yes,
sure.
yes, yeah.
That is why if I do income tax rate, and all that will be covered in that. iPhone, getting gold jewelries, getting all those rings, all those will be
No,
covered.
he's receiving from the parties.
That is why I'm saying I will stop that. I will stop that. I won't be giving them from our fund of political. I will not get funded by the big businessmen and just give the money to my party members. I will use that money for the benefit of our country rather than for our political party members.
Yes, yes. Just I'm saying. Thank you.